Hello and welcome. Even though the video title says online learning, this is for anyone that does a lot of work in their smartphones or tablets. The basic idea is instead of tapping with two fingers, you use a keyboard. The keyboard is useful not only for learning and work, but also for games like Minecraft, for example. We will see in this video what is USB on the go, how to check if your phone supports OTG, connect keyboard to a phone with micro USB, connect a phone which has a USBC connector, and some other ideas. In case you don't know what is USB, do not worry. Usually all smartphones have a USB cable. It could be a micro USB or USB-C, but usually they have USB. What is USB on the go? In short, OTG. It is the ability to connect devices like keyboard, mouse, external hard drive to the phone. Usually almost all the smartphones nowadays support OTG, but it's good to verify before you buy some adapter. You can use the USB OTG checker app to check if your phone supports OTG. Go to Google Play Store, search for USB OTG checker and install the app. It will download the app and install in your phone. Once the installation is done, you open the app. Immediately it will tell you if the phone supports USB OTG or not. If you see all green check marks, it means that your phone supports OTG without any issue. First, let's connect a phone with micro USB. You need a micro USB to USB-A adapter. The phone goes to the micro USB end and the keyboard goes to the USB-A female side. I got micro USB to USB-A adapter and a USB keyboard. I connect the USB keyboard to the USB-A female side of the adapter and then the micro USB to the phone. Once I do that, I can start typing using my keyboard. If I want to switch between apps, I can use the Alt and Tab keys. No need to tap on the phone to go to another app. Let's connect a phone with USB-C connector to a USB hub. This allows us to connect multiple devices. The phone goes to the USB-C side, and on the adapter you can connect a USB mouse, USB keyboard and storage device. I have a USB keyboard, USB gaming mouse and a USB pen drive, a phone with USB-C connector and USB-C to USB-A hub. I am going to connect the keyboard, the mouse and the USB pen drive to the hub and then connect the hub to the phone. Note how the mouse lights up as soon as I connect it to the phone. It indicates it's ready to use. The mouse and keyboard are immediately ready for use. I can use it to navigate and type documents and so on. Regarding the USB pen drive, there will be a notification asking me to format the drive. Android needs the drive to be formatted. and once the formatting is done, the drive can be used as extra storage. You can store additional files. In case you are going to buy a new phone, I suggest to get a one with USB-C connector rather than micro USB, because USB-C is newer, it has faster data speeds, faster charging speed, etc. Important note on connecting mouse. I found that some mouse types do not work with your phone. The common USB Logitech mouse, for example, should work. If you have a fancy gaming mouse, it may not work. Other ideas. Instead of using cables and adapters, you can buy a Bluetooth keyboard. There are some disadvantages. The Bluetooth keyboard may be expensive and the keyboard requires battery. But it's good to try if you have this option. Another idea is to connect the phone to TV for a bigger screen experience. You may try with HDMI cable, which may not work for all models, or through Wi-Fi, and there are some other approaches. This is your homework to explore. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.